Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Jess with Snow Angel Arts. Today I wanted to just share with you guys some paper flowers that I've been working on. They have become quite addictive already, and all I've done is just use some dictionary pages and my distress inks. I have cut the different, I don't know if you can see, but there's like 3 layers of the flower on here. And I cut those out of my Cricut, but you could also use punches or, draw them freehand and cut them out. And then I've just put little flat back gemstones and pearls. Really super simple. This isn't anything super exciting. I'm sure most people have already done something like this, but I just thought I would share it with you guys. So let's go ahead and make one on camera. I have another set here. So I have the large flower, the medium, and the small. And what I do first is I just ink them up. This is a great way to use some of your distress inks if you have a bunch of colors that you don't normally use. And then what I also like is that they are super flat, so they go great in junk journals without bulking up the pages too much. I know inking is boring, so I will go ahead and speed this part up, and then I will come back and show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, so I've got these inked up. You could ink the whole thing. I just do the outer edges because I feel like it gives it more definition and they stand out so that you can see them better against each other. And this is really super simple, guys. All you're going to do is take some glue. I'm just using my art glitter glue, but any glue would work. Just put a little bit in the center. Even a glue stick would probably be just fine. And then just try to get it as even as possible, although that doesn't really matter. My hands are all stained up from inks. Sorry about that. Put a little glue here on the back of this one. And again, just center it as best as you can. And then that part is done. Now you just need a center. So I went yesterday to Michael's and I found this awesome huge jar, not really jar, container, I guess, full of all of these flat backs. And I used my coupon, so I think it was like $8 or $9, and there's a bunch in here. So then you just pick your color. I will do this gold one. And then I've just been using my glossy accents to glue on the back of this because I don't know if the art glitter glue would hold or not. I guess it probably would, but that's okay. Just put a little bit on there. And then go ahead and plop it right in the center, or about the center. And voila, you are done. You have a flower embellishment for your journal. All right, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.